Have you ever wondered what exists beyond what the naked eye can see? Today, we're diving into a world unseen, a hidden universe teeming with life, complexity, and breathtaking beauty, all revealed under the microscope. The microscope, a tool of scientific marvel, has unlocked countless secrets of the microscopic world. It's not just for science class, it's a portal to another dimension. What lies beneath the surface is a universe, far more intricate and fascinating than we could ever imagine. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a microscope? In simple terms, it's an instrument that magnifies tiny objects, making them visible to the human eye. From the simplest of single-lens microscopes to the advanced electron microscopes, these tools have revolutionized our understanding of biology, medicine, and materials science. Now, let's explore some of the incredible things we can observe. Imagine looking at a single drop of water. Under the microscope, it transforms into a bustling ecosystem. You'll see microorganisms like bacteria, protozoa, and algae, all interacting in a microscopic dance of life. These tiny organisms are the foundation of many ecosystems, playing critical roles in nutrient cycles and the food chain. Moving on to the realm of cells, the fundamental units of life, the microscope reveals an astonishing level of detail. Animal and plant cells, each with their unique structures, become visible. You can see the nucleus, the cell's control center, the mitochondria, the powerhouses, and the intricate network of the endoplasmic reticulum. It's like looking at the blueprints of life itself. The world of plants is equally captivating. Under the microscope, you can examine the structure of leaves, revealing the intricate arrangement of cells, the stomata that regulate gas exchange, and the chloroplasts where photosynthesis takes place. It's a testament to nature's engineering prowess. Beyond biology, the microscope offers insights into materials science, examining the structure of metals, plastics, and other materials at a microscopic level. Allows scientists to understand their properties and develop new technologies. From the strength of a bridge to the performance of a computer chip, the microscope plays a vital role. So what have we learned? The hidden universe, revealed under the microscope, is a place of incredible diversity, complexity, and beauty. It's a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the boundless wonders that await us when we look beyond the surface. The next time you have the opportunity, take a look through a microscope. You might just discover a whole new world.